Just real quick on removing specular highlights. So I'm going to do this to this dude, and I'm not going to do it to this girl. She looks a bit, I don't know, something's weird about her. So anyway, removing specular highlights. Something strange with her eyes. Removing specular highlights, and just wanted to show you how you can do that fairly quick. What I do is go like that, and you know, you can see these highlights here. So this, for example, would be if you wanted to if you wanted to do this for a 3D object, and then you have this real photograph, and then you're going to use that as a reference. So, but then you need to remove the highlights. But this could also be useful for a real photograph, actually. Anyway, so we take the patch tool here and we just drag that over to an area like that, and then you can see, hey, what do you know? That specular highlight is removed. And I just thought that, you know, I'm just going to do it this way because it's the fastest way to go about it. And as far as I know, also the best. So yeah, already you can see that we got a quite good result. And yeah, you could just continue doing that stuff. Now what you can do now, in order to adjust it, you could just adjust the opacity right here. There's also another way to go about it, and that is taking an area and then move it, and then say fade patch selection. But it's not really that useful. So instead of doing that, and we're gonna have or it's a better way of doing it, and that is adding a layer mask and simply deleting what we patched. So you can do that like this, or you can use, for example, a grayish tone, or check the opacity for the brush. And that is just smarter, because then we can go back and forth, and it's more accurate. So that's the best way to remove specularity, I believe.